Okay, I made a pierogi pizza the other day. Started off with cooking bacon in the oven at 400. Sliced potatoes. I was skeptical of making pierogi pizza. Only place I've had it is Boston Pizza, and it's really good. I boiled the potatoes for about 15 minutes. Seasoned them with garlic salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, and some Parmesan and herb blend. Then I let them cool. And I rolled out the dough. Spread about 4 tablespoons of sour cream on it. Add potatoes, about 3 more tablespoons of sour cream. Ton of marble cheese, ton of bacon. Cooked it for about at 400 for about 22 minutes. And it was amazing. Try it out and let me know what you think. Comment, like, and subscribe.